Hi everyone, it's Dr. Dave and welcome back to Dr. Dave's 411. Question, have you heard of chia?
There's a new pet.
Ch 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 Chia.
Chia Pet, the pottery that grows.
No, not those chias, but rather these chias. That's right, chia seeds. These little guys pack a large nutritional punch. During this episode of Dr. Dave's 411, we will discuss the health benefits of chia seeds. Oh, and remember, if you like this video, then you absolutely need to check out my website, drdavedegatti.com, where I reveal all of my deepest, darkest secrets. Okay, maybe not all my deepest, darkest secrets, but you will definitely get tons of heart healthy information, so check it out. What is a chia seed? Chia seeds come from a plant formerly known as Salvia hispanica, which is a member of the mint family. Chia seeds were an important food for the Aztecs and Mayans back in the day. They were prized for their ability to provide amazing amounts of energy. In fact, chia is ancient Mayan for strength. Chia seeds have even been hyped up as a superfood in the media.
Certain foods that absorb water and promote weight loss. Chia seeds. Ch 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 Chia.
Chia is actually a seed. It's high in protein, fiber, omega-3 acids, and antioxidants.
Why are chia seeds considered a superfood by so many people? Only 2 tablespoons of chia seeds contain an impressive amount of nutrients for very few calories, including the following. 1. 7 grams of unsaturated fat. Number 2. 11 grams of fiber. In fact, chia seeds are 40% fiber, making them one of the best sources of fiber in the entire world. 3. They are the richest plant source of omega-3 fatty acids. 4. They are a complete protein containing all 9 essential amino acids that cannot be made by the body. And finally, did I mention they are gluten-free? What are the proposed health benefits of chia seeds? Benefit number 1, chia seeds are loaded with antioxidants, which help reduce the production of free radicals. Free radicals can damage cell molecules and contribute to aging and diseases like cancer. Benefit number 2, chia seeds are loaded with fiber. Fiber in chia seeds helps to slow down digestion, which can prevent blood sugar spikes after eating a meal and promote a feeling of fullness.
Do you realize that I have slaved over a hot stove so you could have a hot meal when you come home, huh?
In fact, chia seeds are famous for their ability to absorb water and expand in size, which can increase a person's sense of fullness after eating. This may ultimately improve weight loss. Benefit number 3, chia seeds may help decrease inflammation. A 3-month study on people with diabetes showed that chia seeds reduce inflammation by 40%. Benefit number 4, cardiovascular health. Although chia seeds are unlikely to improve cardiovascular disease directly, and the studies have been inconclusive, indirectly, especially due to their fiber content, they can definitely support a healthy heart. So what is the verdict on chia seeds? I really like chia seeds and all of the great nutritional value they offer, especially all of the fiber. But like all supplements or nutritional food, chia seeds are an excellent addition to a person's well-balanced, heart-healthy diet, but should not be used in isolation to promote overall health. How can you incorporate chia seeds into your diet? There are many ways to enjoy chia seeds in a diet, from a chia seed pudding to smoothies, or you can even add it to your salad. Okay guys, that's the 411 on chia seeds. Time for a couple of jokes. I was originally going to get a brain transplant, but then I changed my mind. Okay. To the guy who invented zero, thanks for nothing.
Okay, man, you are not laughing. You are not emitting sound up out your mouth, man.
Hey, I'm good.
0, nothing. Okay guys, I'll stick with cardiology. Until next time, this is Dr. Dave.